Welcome to Monday Creations. Today we are going to be tinting my buddy IAnony's 370Z taillights. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so with all these trim, all you're going to do is you're going to come in with like a little pocket screwdriver or something. You see this little notch? Pops off. You're just going to kind of wiggle your way up in here. Ugh. They're a pain in the ass. There we go. This should just pop just like that. Give it a little wiggle, comes right out. Don't lose them.
You're gonna push on this little thing right here, and then you're gonna pull the whole thing out. So reach my fat finger up in there and pull from the clip, just like such. Now it's disconnected. You should be clear to pull the whole piece. Woo!
Yep, so you're gonna go right there and you're just gonna kind of twist the screwdriver.
Twist it?
Yep. So you can get fully underneath there, in between the top bit and the second bit.
Deep.
You can turn it towards you.
Yeah, I sure can. Okay, I'm in.
Yeah, and now twist it. So that way it kind of pops
Way to
the
go,
top
cameraman.
bit out, just like that, and then you should be able to kind of pull it out. Maybe pull the top bit just a little bit further. And then do the screwdriver between the rivet and the body. Yeah, twist. Perfect. Bam, bam. I didn't catch any of that because I was looking at you. I was looking straight at the ground.
You're doing great.
I was deep. Hard.
Okay.
Alright, so there's that one, and then there's one more right here. Same principle.
Oh, right. This one. Much easier to look for.
Yeah, same principle applies then.
Squeak.
Yep, and then you should be able to do the same thing. Screwdriver between rivet and body end. That's right out. Cool.
It's freaking cool.
And now we'll pull the weather stripping up out of the way and start tugging.
I don't like doing this. I am not confident enough to do this.
Yep, on my way.
Squeaky, squeaky.
Because I know what's going to happen with this. Because I'm going to walk away and help you, and I'm going to look back, and it's going to be looking straight at your spare tire. I know exactly how that's going to play out. It's going to be the same thing.
Alright,
That's a
so
good idea.
it's probably not the best idea.
I mean, it's not too bad.
So that's one. Yeah, it's not ideal. It's not a great
Sketch.
position to be in. That's all that matter from what I touch. So you see how I keep twisting it? So this one worked here because I was able to get full contact on the inside of the panel, right here. But here it's much deeper, so I was starting to peel your panel. So I flipped it. I was able to get, I'm just trying to get as close to the clip as possible and push right next to it. So there was another one. There's another one up here, right?
Was it right there?
Yeah. So once we get far enough in, I should just be able to.
Look it off.
Pretty much. Minus this one because he's so curious. This one was the pain, wasn't it?
Yeah, because it was just such an awkward angle. It's kind of like connected to the back part. I think it.
Yeah.
Clean all this gunk out. Oh, it's another bug. What the hell is all this shit? I got so many bugs in here.
1, 2, 3, 4. We got all the clips!
Awesome.
And we didn't break any of the trim pieces. These are the ones that usually break. These bits.
Yeah.
These ones are super prone to breakage.
I don't want that.
Wow. That's why they sell replacement ones, because they break all the time.
Oh, yeah.
So we'll need a 10 for the top bit here, and an 8 for the small bit there. And an 8. Nope. Probably above it. Metric is on top. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
10 top.
10 are for the two tops. 8 is for the one inside. It's a little easier for you.
Dude. Epic gamer.
Yeah, for gamer move. Put your finger kind of right on the edge of it. Yeah, pull it right off. Yeah. And then right there so you don't lose it. Perfect.
Dang.
Wham bam!
No.
God, I don't like that.
Yeah, it ain't fun.
You good?
We're good? We're good? We're good? Good.
Okay, now just the fucking
Clip.
Oh, okay. Good?
Nah, I cut myself.
Grab the
I gotta get a band-aid. Yeah, completely. Yeah, do that.
you good?
So you're just gonna hold it. Yeet. Perfect.
Shit, now what?
Yeah, all the lint and dust and stuff that's moved around as we've been moving.
That's awesome. Awesome.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Ooh!
Yeah? Can you come show me?
Okay. So, it's a lot of picking up, smoothing, and repeeling. So this is a vinyl tool. You got a soft felt edge and a hard edge. You're just kind of working on both ends to ensure. See how I've already squeezed out all this air right here? So you start generally from the middle or your highest point, right about here. Seems to be about a good point. I'm just gonna slowly lift, press, and peel. Oh, you're holding. Go ahead and push down. Yeah. If you want, you can push against here because I'm pushing. So right there. If we ever start getting real creases that we can't work our way out of, that's when we start using the heat gun. Like that one, I have to use the heat gun. And then we're also going to have to slit at, so we get it just initially tacked out. We're going to have to slit at some of the corner pieces in order to get it just right, and that's the part, that's the art, where it's going to take a lot of, like here, we'll probably have to slit it, and it's going to feel like we're rotating a lot.
much as you can, and then
Can I just peel the whole thing?
yeah, you think it's not gonna roll on you?
Probably, but I can't catch it.
And I usually start from the middle. You're gonna want to try to get it as centered as possible and push down on the middle.
Oh, it's so dark I can't see. I think that's the middle.
And then make sure you have enough space on all around. You'll probably move a little to your left.
Yeah.
So it looks like you got a bunch of room on your right and not so much on your left. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, seems so. That's what I think. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so now same principle applies. You're going to use your heat gun. You're going to warm up all the vinyl, big circles. You see it start to go kind of glossy and limp, like that. You're going to take this with the felt side, and you're going to just work from the middle and push out all the wrinkles all the way out to the edges like such. If you get a wrinkle like that, that's a hard one, you'll lift it up just a little. As you can see, it's now rigid.
Yeah.
So you'll lift it back up just in that spot, up to the very edge of the wrinkle. Blast with the heat gun. Pull it tight if you can. No, blast it. Yep, blast it with the heat gun. Until it goes limp. And then you'll set the heat gun down, pull it tight, and use the...
Oh my god.
Like that. And then now... There you go. See the difference?
I did it again, but yeah, it is different.
Yeah.
So there's 2 screws. There's one right here,
Another one.
and there's one right here. There's a couple clips that hold this onto the bumper. There's up there. You kind of see
Trash can out here.
that one right there. There's the little bag over there. All right, I'm gonna put these screws on. I can't do it one-handed.
Try.
Can this move? No, it does
Nope.
not.
You gotta get it right up on it and then plug it in. Yep. Little snap. There you go. And just slide it in. Line up the bottom bolt. Okay, there you go. Make sure everything's lined up. Yeah, that's all in.
Oh yeah.
Still hold it in
Oh,
there.
and clean it. Cut in.
Yeah, roll it all around. Yeah, boy, yeah.
Alright, how the hell is this work?
Wiggle it all up in there. Yeah, pretty much. No, like perfect. Yeah, get it all up in there. Nice and close. A little more on this side.
Looks like they're all in.
And then snap that side over on your left. It's popped way out. There you go. So now it's all lined up. Now push till it clips. That's a clip. That's a clip. Nope, still another clip up. There you go. And probably one more down there in the bottom corner.
Oh, there's one there.
Alright. There you go. Simple as that.
Yeah?
Yeah. Nope.
Excuse me, bottles.
There you go. There you go. Now she's all lined up. That's not called for. Alright, wanna see my biggest trick? You know where all the clips are, right?
Is this in?
This one right here.
Yeah.
Right?
Is there one?
Yeah.
This one here. There's one like that there. There's another one right in this area. There you go. You can feel it. It feels solid now.
Yeah.
We'll do the same thing over here. Oh God!
How does this go back in? It's kind of
Push it.
out.
Push.
it.
Just on it. There you go.
So. He's hitting my car. Half my car, dude.
Hurt my feet.
That's that kind of party.
It is that kind of party. This piece now.
Oh.
Actually, no.
No?
We have the little clips, the little baby clips that went in here.
Alright, so then the same principle, you put these little nubs in there.
Well, no. You still have to pull. No, you
It's broken.
no, you still have to do it.
But it won't open.
No, I believe in you.
Look, it's snap.
Yeah, it's still open.
Yeah?
You push it.
It's like a break.
Well, now you've done it. You gotta do this right hand. Easy tie here. Just kind of work your way in, wiggle it around. Oh, you hella broke that one.
I'm telling you, it doesn't work.
All right, we'll have to replace that one. That one's goner.
Right?
Yeah, that one's goner. Let's try it. You just push it back in, line it up, push back in. Now this stupid thing.
Hey. It's kind of weird, but.
Oh, one-handed. See, you had to do it too.
Try not to break my cardboard car, okay?
It's carbon fiber. It's indestructible.
Cardboard.
Ow! That's heavy. You got two of them in there? Why are there two? Why do you need two carpets? You ain't
minor.
You ain't that important.
Car is. Look, it's got normal, Z.
Oh.
We gotta put in the light now.
Oh, we gotta do this light. There's a whole other light.
That's where the light was.
There's a whole other light up
Damn
here.
it. Okay, that's
Why have you done
happening
this to
next
me?
time.
Why have you done this to
What's
me?
happening next
Yeah, that's
time?
the whole thing.
I did not even.
Now it looks darky. Beautiful.
Oh,
Beautiful. The fuck is that? Ooh. Ooh. Actually, it doesn't look that bad.
That's it for today's creation. If you enjoyed, leave a like down below. If you have a project you want to see us do in the future, go ahead and drop that comment down below as well. As always, thanks for spending some time with us, and I look forward to creating with you next time.